Folks, it's Saturday and it has turned off kind of chilly. I've been complaining about how hot it is. Look here. It's 58 degrees in here. I had to get my coat out. Well, I got to go to... Had a get together to go to last night, so I'm a little groggy. I was up later than my usual bedtime. I think I went to bed like 10. And I got a wedding to go to this afternoon, so I'm not going to do anything super strenuous. But let me show you what I am going to do. I can show you right here. I'm going to put this horn on the GMC, you know, for safety reasons. And then I might put this junk little radio in 71 because it ain't had no radio in it in probably 2-3 years. And a man's got to have some tunes. It's got speakers. Might as well have a radio. If it'll fare off a little bit here, I might work on this. But it's kind of wet under there, and I need to crawl underneath it. Replace a fuel line. That one can wait. I think we'll put a horn on this one here with a white fender. Alright, we've got the horn pretty well installed. I can't show you Little Miss because she looks horrible. She hasn't had 2-3 hours to put her face on yet. Right?
Right.
Okay. Alright, I'm gonna get inside the truck, make sure my phone don't fall off, okay?
Oh my god.
Did that startle you?
A little bit.
It's a shame we can't show your face, you know. Well, that's the way it is. Alright, you go try it. What was that? Go mash the horn button. Seems like folks ought to hear that alright. Alright, that one's done. I just need to tidy up these wires so they don't do bad things, and this project will be done. Alright, we got that warming up. I gotta put brake pads on this, which is not a glamorous job, but it's one that must be done. Alright, got the new brake pads on. If you don't believe it, just look right there. New, I'm telling you. And then over here, I'll show you something. Last weekend, I went down to the tire store. Them young boys down there with all these wheels and tires, and had them take the tires off. And somebody asked me, "Why do you do that? You got a tire machine here?" Well, it's a lot easier to let somebody else do it, for one thing. And for another thing, I sent Little Miss down to pick him up today, and the man said, "No charge." So somebody else did it, and I didn't have to pay nothing. That's pretty slick, eh? And no, I'm not Canadian, eh? Well, I just sold that 283 for the Chevy 2 to some nice fellers from Asheville area. And they were glad to get it, and I was glad to sell it to them, and it was a good thing all around. So I think I'm going to clear up a little more floor space here. It's about time I done it, ain't it? Alright, I got that out of that space and put something else in it. So that's good, I guess, right? Well, now I got to get cleaned up for a wedding. Luckily, I don't think it's too formal. So we'll see how that turns out. And maybe I'll come back out here and mess around some more. Maybe. I don't think it takes long for him to put the ball and chain on, but there's a reception afterwards. No telling what'll go on there. found that stuff in fairly short order. However, the little man tells me that I need to leave the shifter that's in it because it tells you what gear the gear pattern is. You sure I can't talk you out of that?